Now, in our previous video, we created a site area schedule and grouped the area in the schedule with our project parameters. Now, because we are sorting the area based on the parameter names, the order of the area may not give you the outcome that you require. Now, in this video, we're going to look at the option to alter the order of these areas in the schedules. Now, let's take a look at this schedule. I'm just going to zoom in here and look at this. And we have the coverage, hard landscape, paved area, soft landscape. This is sort of based on alphabetical order. So we want to rearrange this. So one way we can do this is by adding a number prefix into these area category parameters. So what we can do is we can just go back to edit the schedule settings and edit the area category parameters. Now let's go to the project browser and look for our schedule. In here we have the area schedule gross building. We're just going to right mouse, duplicate view. And we're going to use this duplicated view for modifying the area category. So what we need to do is just right mouse, say on high columns, all the columns. No, actually, Control C, I pressed the wrong button. So on high all columns. So we have the area category in here. Now, rather than changing one at a time, I'm just going to eliminate some of these fields, and then we can change all of these by category altogether all at once. So what we can do is go to field, and we're going to remove name and percentage, and then an area. So we just left with area category and comments. We're going to select OK. And then also from sorting and grouping, rather than itemize every instance, we just untoggle this and select OK. Now we have just the area category and comments. Now in here for the comments, rather than in comments, I'm going to use another field for sorting again. So in the field, I want to look for, see if there's number per work set. Okay, looks like I'm going to have to use comments for this sorting subcategory as a subcategory for sorting. So in here, I'm going to in comment, I'm just going to go in here, Control C, copy this. In the comment, I'm going to Control V, hard landscape, and then in here, soft landscape, Control C, Control V. So now I have this inside comment. Now I'm going to change coverage to 01 space coverage, and then paved area, I'm going to change it to 02 space paved area, and then hard landscape, just going to be 03. Rather than hard landscape, I'm just going to put it in here, just landscape, change it to just landscape. And then soft landscape, I'm just going to change it, actually change it to be the same as 03. Control V. Now we have all these set up. Now if we go back to our original table, area schedule in here, you can see that we have coverage, paved area, and landscape. Now we're going to set up another sorting group in here. So from property, sorting and grouping. So rather than name, we're going to change it to comment, and we have a header and a footer, and then we're going to sort it by name afterward, and then select OK. Now you have this coverage, paved area, landscape, you have hard landscape and soft landscape, and just soft landscape total and hard landscape total. Now maybe we want to split it up so that it's easy to read, so we go to appearance, So we want to have a blank row outlined, and we probably want to make the title text a little bit heavier. So we want to have a 4mm title text, and the header is 3.5 and the body text to be 2.5. And if we go back to our sheet, you can see that this is updated. Now we probably don't need to count in the subtotal of the category, so we can go back to the property and go back to sorting and grouping. Now in here, counts, title and counts and total, we just need totals only. So now this is nice and clean. Now if we make this, put this over here a little bit more, and then expand this comment. Now we probably don't need this column now, so if we just right mouse and go back to the schedule, we can just hide this column. And so now we can sort the area based on the order that we want to have. So I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.